Alright, I've just had a first look at the Lian DK-07 wood desk PC, and honestly, this thing is wild in person. This is basically a motorized standing desk and a dual-system PC case fused into one piece of furniture. And it doesn't feel like a gimmick. The walnut wood finish actually makes it look like a premium desk first, and a PC second. You're getting room for two full systems, eATX support, insane cooling potential with up to 17 fans, and space for massive custom water loops. Plus, the glass top slides out smoothly, so you're not dismantling your whole setup just to make a change. From a usability standpoint, the motorized height adjustment is super smooth, and the built-in cable management and storage keep things surprisingly clean for something this complex. At $399, it sounds expensive, until you compare it to buying a high-end desk and two enthusiast PC setups separately. If you're a creator, streamer, or dual PC power user, this might actually make sense. Casual users? Probably overkill. But as a concept, this is seriously impressive from Lian.